In today's video, I want to specially give shout outs to all the men worldwide, especially the extremely hard workers. Yes, I know today is not International Men's Day, neither is it Father's Day, but somehow coming across this video today touched my heart deeply. I felt it in my heart, to do this video, and I felt the need to do this special shout out to all the responsible men out there, especially my hardworking Igbo brothers. You all are the real MVPs. You are the backbone of many families and your dedication does not go unnoticed. So I came across this video, right? Hundreds of men inside a very massive, rocky burrow pit, as deep as you cannot even imagine. Some were digging out rocks and stones, while others used ladders to climb in and out of the pit, all in the bid to make a living. The risk, the danger, the sheer hard work, it's beyond words. I don't even know what to say. And if you look closely, you'll see something significant. They are all men, yes. Strong, resilient, hardworking men doing what they have to do, doing what they must do to provide for their families. I don't know exactly where this location is. I can't say whether it's in Nigeria or outside Nigeria or somewhere in the southeast of Nigeria. I can't even say. But one thing I know, these men are giving their all. The sacrifices they make daily, the struggles they endure, all to ensure their loved ones have a better life. To every responsible man out there, whether you are a laborer, a trader, a businessman, or whatever it is you do to put food on the table, this is for you. We see you, we celebrate you, and we appreciate you. Keep pushing because you are the real MVPs. And speaking of love and appreciation, guess what? Valentine's Day is almost here. Yes, it's the season of love again. And what better time to remind that special someone how much they mean to you. We know the economy is very hard, it's tough everywhere, but showing love doesn't have to break the bank. That's why Rural Call Service, a surprise call brand based in Abakaliki, has got you covered. With just shikini money, small money, you can send a heartwarming surprise call to your lover, your hubby, your wife, your friend, your colleague, anyone special to you. Valentine's Day is not just restricted to just lovers. Let Rural Call Service craft the perfect words to make them feel loved, remembered, and cherished. Their February bookings have already started, so if I were you, I won't waste time. Don't wait till the last minute. Reach out to them now and make someone's day very special. Once again, a massive shout out to all the hardworking men out there. This is Faith Carly reporting from Ebony People TV. Keep grinding and we'll see you in our next video.